ko po natapos yung high school. Boxing ang pinili ko kasi ito ang paborito kong sport. Kasi nung kabataan ko, lagi kong pinapanood si Manny Pacquiao.
Gusto ko po talaga mag-boxing kasi parang feeling ko ito yung passion ko. Para sa akin talaga yung boxing eh. Ang pinaka-importante po talaga yung syempre po yung yung health ko. At saka gusto ko rin po na yun nga, gusto kong makilala ng maraming tao at saka gusto ko po maranasan lumaban sa ibang bansa, parang ganun.
Yan po ang labas ng Okada at nandito po tayo sa loob. And this is the ring. And ito po ang ating mga kaboxing. We're at the Okada Manila Grand Ballroom in Parañaque City. We've got a full program of boxing hostilities lined up for you. Nagagandahan po yung mga kasama natin dito. Mga kaboxing, mga nagte-text. Ako, mapapanood po natin some exciting boxing action. And right now, we are about to usher in a 4-rounder in the featherweight division, weight limit of 126. Herederos kontra Batyoan. Yan po ang ating susunod na laban. Herederos, siya po ay 22 years old at si Batyoan, 20 years old. Si Herederos is has a record of 2 wins and 2 knockouts, while si Ricky Batyoan, 1 win and 1 knockout. Yan po ang ating tail of the tape, and now we bring you over to our ring announcer, Bobby Mondejar.
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the fighter coming into the ring, Ricky Batyoan. Introducing the fighter coming into the ring, Gerald Herederos. Ladies and gentlemen, Manny Pacquiao presents Blow by Blow here in Okada, Manila, Hotel and Casino, Parañaque City, in partnership with Ginebra San Miguel. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the fighter fighting out of the blue corner. He weighed in at 125.6 pounds. He has a record of 1 win, no loss, 1 win coming by way of knockout. Fighting out of Mabicas Boxing Stable, Baguio City. Ladies and gentlemen, Ricky Batyoan. Right across the ring, fighting out of the red corner. He weighed in at 125.6 pounds. He has a record of 2 wins, no loss. 2 wins coming by way of knockout. Fighting out of Glenford Fitness Boxing Gym, Taguig City. Ladies and gentlemen, Gerald Herederos. Judging at ringside, Eduardo Nobleza, Antonio Comia, Danilo Lopez. A third man in the ring, referee Jojo Llanera. This will be 4 rounds of professional boxing.
Makinig kayo. Ingatan ang inyong ulo. Ang sundok dito dito ay foul, ha? Protektahan ang inyong sarili. Makinig kayo lagi sa akin at sumunod sa sasabihin ko. Touch glove. Good luck.
Nako, Herederos, wala po siyang talo. 2 wins, 2 knockouts. At ang kanyaman po niya, ganun din walang talo si Batyoan. 1 win with 1 knockout. Both of these fighters like to win by knockout. Batyoan po, he's the guy with the blue trunks and the red trims. At si Herederos naman po, siya po yung naka parang gladiator style na trunks. At ang tawag po sa kanya, Iron Fist. Naku, Iron Fist nga talaga. Kasi dalawang knockout ang na-score niya in 2 wins. Makikita po natin kung Herederos will preserve his unbeaten record, his unbeaten knockout record. And at the same time, si Batyoan, ganun din. Trying to keep that unblemished record. Both these fighters are featherweights within the 126-pound limit. Both fighters are orthodox fighters. Herederos with a decided edge in reach. 71 inches po kanyang reach against 65 inches for Batyoan. Pero si Herederos hindi gumagamit ng kanyang jab, despite that big reach advantage.
Stop. Break. Box.
And so far, no fireworks exploding. Left hand coming from Herederos, the Iron Fist. At ang tawag naman po kay Batyoan Igor Rotak. Taga Baguio City po siya. Huwag niyong kalilimutan, Blow by Blow MP sa ating social media platforms. Follow, subscribe, and get updates on everything that's going on in boxing and in particular sa Blow by Blow, ang programang paborito nyo. Body shots there by Batyoan. Nakabawi naman si Herederos with a nice, nifty right hand, the right straight. Batyoan moving forward, coming close. A wild swing there by Herederos. And is that going to be a knockdown?
Down.
And he's, ano ba yun? Bagsak? Oh, yes! Calling for a knockdown. And referee Giorgio Lenera
6.
giving the count
7.
to Herederos.
8. Out balance.
He stumbled, almost went down, but
Back.
his gloves might have touched the canvas. Kanya si referee Giorgio Lenera calling a mandatory 10 count, or rather 8 count. Round number 1, a knockdown has been scored by Batyoan. Bumagsak si Herederos. At malamang mapapanood po natin kung ano pong nangyari dun sa knockdown that was scored by Batyoan. Si Jake Naboya po ang trainer ni Batyoan. Round number 1 has finished. Ito po ang atake ni Batyoan. And well, let's see. Was that a knockdown or not? I don't think his gloves touched the canvas. He almost went down, almost napaupo, pero hindi siya napaupo eh. Almost.
Tingnan stop.
But just the same, referee Giorgio Lenera calling a knockdown. Mandatory 8 count was delivered. Batyoan scoring that knockdown in round number 1. Now in the eyes of the judges, if they felt that that was not really a convincing knockdown, they will not score that 10-8. They have the prerogative to score it at 10-9, assuming Batyoan won that round. Herederos now shooting that left jab, something that we felt he should have done in the first round. Gawa ng kanyang malaking reach advantage at 6 inches in reach advantage. A right hand coming from Herederos. Looks like he's finding the range. Maganda yung kanyang patama with that left jab. Tapos yung kanyang right hand
Break.
also coming through.
Box.
Herederos again not using that jab. Yun, tumama yung jab. That went through the defense ni Batyoan. Batyoan coming forward. He was the aggressor in round number 1.
Break.
At alam ni Herederos, kailangan niyang makabawi dito sa round number 2. Nabilangan po siya. Some big shots now being delivered by both these fighters. As we mentioned, they're knockout artists. Mabibigat po yung mga kamao nila. Nice counter, 1-2 coming from Herederos just as Batyon was coming in. Malaking adjustment na rito. Ang ginagawa ni Herederos, he's controlling the tempo of this round with that left jab. And then a left hook. Couple of left jabs. And Batyon again on the attack. Good counter punching by Herederos. Parang nabasa na niya ang ginagawa dito ni Batyon. He's coming forward, so inaabangan ni Herederos with that left jab. Batyon is a warrior. That was a nice right hand connected by Herederos. More left jabs coming from Herederos. And you notice that si Batyon hindi na masyadong agresibo rito. Now he's coming close again.
Stop.
And he's noticing that as he comes in, siya ang tinatamaan.
Box.
And he needs to adjust his offensive movement.
10 seconds to go.
Again, that overhand right hand. Pumasok yun galing kay Herederos. Good round para kay Herederos. But note that we are scheduled only for 4 rounds. Tapos na po ang round number 2. Malaking pagbabago ang ginawa ni Herederos in that round number 2 from round number 1. Gumamit siya ng left jab. And then countering with that right hand. Jan Pablo Reyes po ang trainer ni Herederos. At kanina po, sa pag-upisa natin, very confident ang vibe ni Herederos. Yun po yung right hand na tumama in our punch of the round brought to you by Ginebra San Miguel. And that caught Batyon off balance. Punch of the round. Ito, may nagbubulong po kay Batyon. Ano kaya sinasabi? Yun. Dalawa po silang nagbubulungan doon. Batyon needs to be able to regroup. Hindi niya nakuha yung round number 2. Although, yung round number 1, because of his aggressiveness, nakuha niya yun. Especially since nabilangan naman si Herederos in round number 1. Okay, round number 3 na po tayo. Nag-adjust na po si Herederos with that left jab. Ito naman, Batyon showing signs of aggressiveness once more. Yan ang ginawa niya nung round number 1. Herederos, inaabangan niya kung saan manggagaling yung suntok ni Batyon. And it's usually coming from the right hand. So he ducks and then he counters. Yan na naman ang left jab galing kay Herederos. Just keeping Batyon away. Another left jab. And this time, combination. Capped with that right straight. Galing kay Herederos. Big shots here by Herederos. Bumagsak si Batyon. That's going to be a knockdown.
3, 4,
And that's very clear.
5,
Round number 3, bagsak po si Batyon.
7.
So pareho na po silang bumagsak, both fighters.
Okay.
But I thought that was
Box.
a clearer knockdown scored by Herederos than the knockdown scored by Batyon in round number 1. Yan na naman, bumagsak. That's a second knockdown.
Your turn.
And it looks like he's dazed.
Okay. 4,
Dalawang beses na po bumagsak si Batyon.
6, 7, 8.
Yan po ang mandatory
Okay.
8 count delivered by referee Jojo Llanera.
Okay. Box!
Okay, tuloy po ang laban. Less than a minute to go in this round. And Herederos is looking to finish off Batyoan, who's holding on for dear life. Hindi na pa siya bumabato.
Stop. Stop. No.
And Batyoan looks like he's in Queer Street. Some big shots landed here by Herederos. He's going for the kill. Ito, hinahawakan na siya ni Batyoan, yung kanyang kamay, and he's clearly out of it.
Break!
Batyoan is dazed,
Stop!
but Herederos might have punched himself out.
Box!
Hindi niya matatapos ito. That mouthpiece has been taken out of the mouth of Batyoan. And again, pinulot ng ating referee. Kanya nga po, dapat nakasuot ang guwantes. Pupulutin nyo yung gum shield, yung mouthpiece sa lona. Tapos ibibigay nila sa corner man, huhugasan, tapos ibabalik sa bibig. So dapat standard equipment yun, yung guwantes ng mga referee natin for hygienic purposes. Yan po ang round girl. Okay, to recap, mga kaboxing, ito po yung nangyari kanina. Punch of the round. Ang ganda po ng delivery. That was a straight right hand. Yun, no? Straight right hand that was delivered right at the impact. Naging hook. Dalawang beses po bumagsak si Batyoan in round number 3. And that would be a 10-7 round for Herederos. I thought there might have been a reason to stop the fight in round number 3. Tingnan natin kung ano pong maipapakita dito ni Batyoan. Herederos has clearly swung the fight in his favor. Yan na naman ang left jab ni Herederos. That has been the setup punch. At notice that Herederos is now ducking those shots ni Batyoan. Iron fist, Herederos. Herederos with a record of 2-0 with 2 knockouts. But unless Herederos steps up his attack, this fight could go the distance. Batyoan just holding on. Batyoan scoring with the left hand. Herederos inviting Batyoan to come in. He's content to counter. Yun na naman. Yung combination, left jab, tapos yung right straight. Pasok na pasok yan for Herederos. Batyoan trying to stave off this surge by Herederos. And he needs to do something dramatic to win this fight. Nagiging wild na si Batyoan, but he is showing a lot of aggressiveness.
Box!
Herederos might be running out of wind. His mouth is wide open. He's breathing heavily. Herederos is smiling at Batyoan. Connection again with the right hand. Left jab. Tina-timing ni Herederos yung kanyang right hand. Pagbato ni Batyoan ang kanyang kanan, nakaabag na si Herederos, and then he lets go with that overhand right. Labas na yung cup protector ni Herederos. Ano ba yan? Parang maluwag yata yung waistband ng kanyang trunks. Batyoan scoring with the left hand. Nakabalik naman si And Herederos just relying on that left jab. 10-second clapper has sounded. And this fight is going to go the way of Herederos. But it's going to be a decision. Wala pong knockout scored by these knockout artists. Both these fighters coming in to this fight with unblemished records. All wins scored by knockout. And Batyon, he scored that rather disputed knockdown in round number 1. Ito maganda yung step back na ginagawa ni Herederos, leaning away and then coming back with a combination. Yan po ang punch of the round brought to you by Ginebra San Miguel. And you see a close-up of Ricky Batyoan. Igor Otak ang tawag sa kanya, ang ating mga kaboxing, mga kasama natin dito po sa Okada Manila Grand Ballroom in Parañaque City. Pa-standing room only tayo rito.
Fourth round na pala yun?
Yan po si Ricky Batyoan, 20 years old. At si Herederos naman is 22 years old. Napalaban dito si Batyoan. Herederos coming back from a first round knockdown, that was rather a fluke knockdown, but he came back strong, nag-adjust ang kanyang opensa at saka depensa.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 4 rounds of boxing, we have a winner by unanimous decision. All 3 judges scored it 38-35. Winner by unanimous decision, Gerald Herederos. Herederos.
And that makes it official. Gerald Herederos winning by a unanimous decision.
Next out, the judges will be Carlo Baluyot, Antonio Comia, Jojo Llanera. Third man in the ring, referee Terhilio Garcia.
Ito po mga highlights ng ating laban. Si Herederos, bago po nag-upisa yung laban, showing a lot of confidence. Ito, ang kanyang patama, ang ganda. Left jab, tapos right straight. Ito naman, yung vicious assault na ginawa ni Batyoan. And then, almost, halos napaupo, pero hindi naman yata, no? Although he might have gotten help from the ring strands. And that's the reason kung bakit tinawagan siya ng knockdown. So, Batyoan scoring a knockdown in round number 1. Tapos nagkaroon ng adjustment sa opensa ni Herederos as he went to his left jab and his combinations. That was the first knockdown scored. A right hand by Herederos bringing down Batyoan. Tapos yan naman po ang second knockdown. So dalawang knockdown po ang na-score ni Herederos in round number 3. And in round number 4, it was more of the same. Hindi na po bumagsak si Batyoan, but that was a clear round para kay Herederos. And he wins the fight 38-35 on the 3 judges' scorecards. Winner by unanimous decision, Gerald Herederos over Ricky Batyoan.
Gagawin ko po ang lahat ng aking makakaya at yung mga ginawa namin sa training ipapakita ko po. Hindi ko po natapos yung high school. Boxing ang pinili ko kasi ito ang paborito kong sport. Kasi nung kabataan ko, lagi kong pinapanood si Manny Pacquiao. Speed and power kompleto na sa kanya. Kaya siya ang idol ko. Shout out sa mayor namin dyan sa Kapangan, si Mayor Manny Fermin at si Honorable Tagal at si Honorable Bastian.
Nagkaroon po ng pandemic, doon lang po ako nagkaroon ng chance na mag-boxing. Gusto ko po talaga mag-boxing kasi parang feeling ko ito yung passion ko. Para sa akin talaga yung boxing eh. Ang pinaka-importante po talaga, yung, syempre po yung ko, yung health ko. At saka, gusto ko rin po na, yun nga, gusto ko makilala ng maraming tao. At saka, gusto ko po maranasan lumaban sa ibang bansa, parang gano'n. Excited po ako syempre kasi po ito, malaking event po kumbaga. At saka makakatulong po talaga sa amin yung event na ganito, lalo na sa aming mga boxer na kasi maraming boxer na hindi nakikilala kasi boxer magaling pero hindi nakakalaban. Kaya sobrang magandang po sa atin yung blow by blow. Yun, pinapasalamatan ko, binabati ko yung mga syempre, yung mga sumusuporta sa akin. Na yung mga naniniwala kahit na yung mga kaibigan ko, pamilya. Syempre sa Lord, nagpapasalamat ako unang-una. Ngayon po.
Kaya mo dyan mo. Good. Guard lang, guard lang, guard. Kaya mo dito. Kaya mo dyan mo. Nice! Woo! Guard lang ha, pag nanong guard. Nice! Wala ba tulog niya? Nice! Impel ka, action ka. Itaray. Itaray ko.
Winner by unanimous decision, Gerald Herederos.